Want a brand new vanity look without replacing it? Here's how to paint your bathroom vanity like a pro. Simple, affordable, and stunning. Remove the doors, drawers, and hardware first to make the cabinet easier to work on. Clean every surface to remove dust, soap, and grease. Then, lightly sand the vanity surface to remove the glossy layer. This helps the paint stick better. Apply a high bond primer. This step is crucial. It helps the paint stay smooth and prevents peeling later. Make sure to cover all edges and corners. Let it dry completely before painting. Allow 4–6 hours for drying, as the exact time may vary depending on humidity levels. Use high-quality, water-resistant cabinet paint. Satin or semi-gloss finishes are perfect for bathrooms. Apply 2 thin coats instead of 1 thick layer to ensure even coverage and a polished finish. Let each coat dry for at least 6 hours before adding the next. Once dry, reattach all handles and doors. Your vanity now looks brand new. A simple paint job can completely transform your bathroom. Small upgrades can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your space. Great design starts with the right vanity. Explore beautiful, durable styles at Tile and Top. Don't forget to subscribe for more home makeover ideas.